In the midst of lush green forest, undisturbed by civilization, lives an ancient tribe whose existence is built on magical ritualistic dance form beneath the canopy of ancestral myths. But with the onslaught of modernization set to erase this tribe and its dance form which cradles their world, this endangered tribe is on the verge of extinction. Hi, I'm Jennifer Alphonse. I'm a filmmaker from Hyderabad. I'm here on Wishberry to talk to you about my latest project, Kusadi. Kusadi is a documentary on the Gond tribes. 3 years ago, I visited Adilabad. It's a small district in Telangana, and that's when I first encountered these tribes. They are one of the largest and ancient-most tribes in South Asia. Till then, though I'm born and brought up in the same state, I had no idea that they even existed. Through this documentary, I want to showcase their lifestyle, culture, and the age-old traditional dance called the Kusadi dance. We hear so much about African or Central American tribes, but we hardly hear anything about the tribes in our own country. So I spent some time with the members of the Gond tribe, and I learned all about their lives. And then one day, I saw them perform their traditional dance, and I was absolutely mind-blown. They had so much energy, and there was so much sacredness attached to the whole performance. All this got me thinking, why doesn't the world know about this tribe or about this dance form? So I did my research and I found out that till date, not much has been documented about this tribe, nor about this Kusadi dance. So that's when I decided to make this documentary. Making this documentary is important for so many reasons. Firstly, they will get a lot of exposure, which means they can perform this dance in many places. Second, tourism will develop. It will increase their job opportunities. There won't be any need for these people to leave their villages and move to the cities, because right now they're struggling for basic things like good medical facilities, good roads, clean drinking water. And third and most important thing, it will motivate the current generation to keep this dance form alive. I've been talking to people about this project for more than 2 years now, but because it's a documentary about an obscure tribe and there are no profits attached, nobody came forward to fund this project. But if you and I get together, we can make sure that their story is not lost. That's the reason I'm raising 7 lakhs in the coming 45 days through a crowdfunding campaign. You can become part of this project by contributing any amount possible. Your contribution and your support means a lot to us. You can choose from multiple options like debit card, credit card, net banking, check pickups. And for your support in return, we would offer you small rewards. Since this is all or nothing campaign, I have to hit my target in the coming 45 days. Otherwise, all the funds will be returned back to you. Can you imagine if this tribe is just left like that without help? Their sacred rituals, their heritage, their culture, this dance form, in the coming 10 years, it will just disappear from the face of earth. If we don't stick together and try to save our own heritage and culture, who else will do it? So I request you to please come forward, make a contribution and spread the word. Thank you.